Hello and welcome to Wired Wednesday. My name is Ashley and today we'll be going through the My Account portion of the library website. First thing you want to do is go up to the top and type in thebluemountains.library.ca into your address bar. Once you get to our website, you're going to go over to the My Account button, just over here. And if you are on a tablet or on a phone, it'll show up as just a little white man with an orange button. There won't be any text on it. Once you get into this part of our website, you're going to actually click on the My Account button up here. And then you're going to type in your library card number. So you either have a key fob like this, or you have a physical card, or you have both. That's okay. They're all the same number. So you're just going to type this number into your library card number space. And then your PIN number will be the last 4 digits of your telephone number. And then you're going to hit login. So this area here is where your personal information is. So you can see this tab here. So it'll give you your name and your address and everything, phone numbers. If any of this is wrong, please let us know and we can fix it for you. If you go into the Checkouts tab, just over here, you're going to see that you have 2 tabs. So you have Digital Checkouts and you have Library Checkouts. So Digital Checkouts would be on Overdrive or Libby. And then the Library Checkouts are actually actual items that you would have taken out from the library, physical copies of things. If you go into holds here, you can see what you have for holds. So these are library holds. These are actual physical things that are coming into the library for you. Right now, everything is on hold because we are closed, but this is just where you would look anyways to see these things. You can still place holds and everything, you just can't pick anything up right now. And then under digital holds, it's what you have on hold on Libby or Overdrive. So as you can see, I have quite a few here. You can have up to 10. The fines button is right here. So as you can see, I don't owe any fines. And then you can actually go into your payment history and see when you've actually paid fines off as well. And occurring fines means if you have an item that's out that you haven't renewed yet, and it just keeps adding the fines to it. Once again, everything has been renewed for everybody until May 31st, so there's no worries there either. This last button here is requests. So actually what this is if you were to go onto our website and you find out that we don't have a book that you would like that is a newer book, you can actually request that we buy it. And where you would do that is just up here under the send a request area. You would just fill out the information there. And then on the side here, you can actually see it says your status is okay. So it means you have no fines or anything. It shows you your checkouts, your holds, and then your fines. And this is the library website, My Account portion. Have a great day.